I need to share something.
Oh, sige.
Ayun, I had an intimate moment at work with my boss, actually.
Oo. Anong moment?
Intimate moment.
Oh my gosh,
And then, wala lang, hindi ko lang in-expect.
Sino?
Hindi ko naman kilala eh, pero what are your thoughts? Is it okay or weird ba?
Tingin mo ba, hindi naman, hindi seryoso or tingin mo seryoso?
Feeling ko naman seryoso kasi we're on, like, same age.
Scary.
Yeah, medyo scary nga.
Yung boss mo siya.
Yeah, ayun. Pero ayun, mabait naman siya.
Kasi yung na-feel ko nung time.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Okay, wait lang. Sorry. It's a dare. Love you, Beth.